This is a filling capping 2-in-1 machine, can be used for 10150 milliliters plastic bottle, glass bottle, dropper bottle, spray bottle, and can be used for filling essential oil, CBD oil, water, alcohol, nail polish, and so on. Today I will introduce the details of the vibrating cap unscrambler to you. First of all, we know it's a very important device on the filling machine. It is the cap sorting device, which can regularly provide the bottle cap for the filling capping 2-in-1 machine. The vibrator is a very effective solution for lid unscrambler. But this vibrator has a drawback: the noise is very loud. If your workshop is relatively small, and you don't like working in a noisy workshop all day, then you may need such a device, noise enclosure. This device can reduce noise pollution during working. Now we start to use this tool to measure the noise. Look at the noise tester in my hand. Usually we have meetings in the conference room, and the noise is about 50 decibels. Then when the vibrating device starts to work, if there is no soundproof cover, it is 80 decibels, 90 decibels. If you put on this cover, it will only be under 70 decibels. In fact, it is only equivalent to discussing issues in the conference room. You can see that there are a lot of sound insulation cotton here, which can absorb a lot of noise. These two switches are used to adjust the frequency, which can increase or decrease the speed. Here is a lid. We can add more lids here.